Well, this is the start of the grade, and it's getting pretty creepy now. Yeah, the sky looks dark. And also, I wish I wouldn't agree to do this job. Set tie. Alright, from here to the yards there, the line is clear, so we wouldn't be worrying about too many trains blocking our path, added Andy. This isn't a prank. Why is there scrap parts there? Alright, we're not too far from the yards now. And I just heard a whistle. Did anyone hear that? Asked Andy. Nope, said Ty. Then I must be hearing things, answered Andy. Hey, I just heard a whistle. Alright, I just blew my horn in case if someone needs help or assistance. This is real scary now.
Yep, this is some prank. I think this was set up to scare us, said Andy. I don't get it. Is this story real? It kinda seems fake to me. Yeah, replied Andy.
And I think I hear people screaming now.
I hope this is some kind of joke, said Andy, because I'm not up for pranks now. Yeah, interrupted Ethan. This is getting real scary. Unless it's some type of joke. This looks like the worst time to be here. Yup, said Ty. Joshua's story's kinda real, isn't it? Replied Andy. Seems like it, said Ethan. So, what is that? Asked Andy. Oh, it's just more parts. Seems like a setup of something. Alright, we're near the yards, just a couple more miles and then we'll reach there in a few minutes. We're gonna go fast now so we can get the job done quick. The engines were near the yards. They were not too far away since it was only like a mile away.
They were coming into the yard at a fast speed, but luckily they were able to slow down just in time. Whoa, Andy, slow down, yelled Kai. A couple minutes later, the locomotives decoupled their train. Ethan was going to lead back to the yards. We'll get there before midnight, said Ethan. I doubt that, replied Ty. If we want to get to the yards before midnight or at midnight, then we have to go a bit faster, added Ethan. God damn it. A couple seconds ago, there was no rain, but now it's raining. Just deal with the goddamn rain, interrupted Andy.
It wasn't raining hard, but the engines can't deal with the rain. Whoa, what the hell? Is that a Santa Fe steam engine? Oh crap, is that an ATSF F7A? Ow! Cried Ethan. But before they could think, they were going down the hill with the two ghosts. What the hell? This Santa Fe steam engine is so strong. They're meant to be strong. But anyways, why the hell are these two ghosts making us go fast down the hill? It's like those ghosts from Joshua's story, yelled Andy. And I think we hit 80 miles per hour now. Hey, that's Santa Fe F7A's gone, added Ethan. Oh look, that Santa Fe steam engine's gone. But before they could think, they derailed. Oh crap! The next morning, Mackay, Michael, and Joshua came to the derailment site. They were glad that they survived the impact. Whoa, what happened? And are you okay? Asked Mackay.
Ow, I'm in so much pain, groaned Andy. I can remember that Santa Fe 484. We can only remember that the ghosts disappeared and then we derailed, added Ethan. The yard manager came. Oh, thank God you're safe, or God, who knows what would happen to you. I'm just glad that you survived and you delivered the freight in time, said the yard manager. This was such a pain, interrupted Ty. There is so much things I have to tell you, replied Ty. I thought the story was fake, but it actually isn't. But I'm just glad that you guys survived, worried Joshua. I'm not going to the Razorback Classic Mountains again in October, said Andy, scared.